Yesterday earthquake happened. At least I request the Honorable Home Minister, at least for 48 hours lift the communication ban. Let the people call each other, their relatives, and to know, because in Pak-occupied Kashmir, deaths have taken place. Geographically, it is the same region. On humanitarian grounds, I request and demand that the Home Minister lift the communication ban for at least 48 hours. Let these people at least know what has happened. Let them speak to each other. These are Indian citizens. After abrogation of 370, fundamental rights applies to them. If everything is normal, what the government and the Modi government is saying, lift the telecommunication ban. And when earthquake has taken place, it is very much necessary that the relatives and these people know what has happened and how they are, how what has happened to them, or whether they are alive, and let them at least speak to each other. What is wrong in that?